Hi students, I am going to discuss distance and displacement. It is a class 9 topic. Then one person is going from A to B. Then that is a path is like this, some curved path that is 15 kilometer distant apart this points A and B. One person is going like this. Then it is 15 kilometer. Then another person is going like this. Another person is going. Then every this zigzag point, every this one is 5 kilometer, 5 km, 5. Here also 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Every zigzag point, that is 5. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The total is 40 kilometer. This is also another distance. These two pictures will define you the distance you are going. Distance. Then one person took 15 kilometer, another person took 40 kilometer. That is by zigzag way he is going, not direct way. Then if a person is going like this from A to B, same distance apart, this one A and B, then he went only direct way. Then this is the displacement. Direct way he is going, then 10 kilometer. This is the displacement. These are distances. Both these are distance. This picture and this picture shows distance. These three pictures are discussing about distance and displacement. Now a student will understand that is a distance means this curved path and this zigzag path. Any way he can go like this. Then we will measure it as distance, and only direct path, direct kilometer we will measure, that is the displacement. Now next one more picture I will give. One person is going from A to C. A to C he is going through B. Then that is 10 meter. A to B 10 meter, B to C another 10 meter. Then he is returning to this side, that is D. Point D he is returning from C, that is also 10 meter. Then we will get distance as distance equal to 10 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter. That is we will have like this 10 meter, then total distance, then another 10 meter. If he is returning or direct, we will not measure that one. We will take total distance, that is equal to 30 meter. But displacement is we can measure it as displacement. I will write displacement equal to 10 meter, that is this 10 meter direct way, plus 10 meter plus 10 meter plus 10 meter. Then this 10 meter we will consider it as negative 10 meter. then minus 10 meter, then this 10 and this 10 plus 10 and minus 10 will get cancelled. Then we will have only 10 meter as displacement. Then this displacement can be negative or some other, we can take it as negative also, displacement. Then distance is a scalar quantity, but displacement is a vector quantity. Scalar means only magnitude we will have, but displacement we will have a magnitude and direction also. That's why it becomes negative. Then distance is 30 meter and distance is 10 meter. You understand now? Thank you.